Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Omar Farooq. Welcome to my channel Farooq's English. In this video I am going to talk about a gift. You cannot define a gift with its price. Gift is mixture with love, emotion, respect, affection and honor. A person gives you because the person loves you, respect you and honor you. Whenever you get gift from another person, that means you are a worthy person to him. You deserve something special, and the person gift you, and the person gave you something special gift that is mixed with his love, his emotion, his respect and honor. Sometimes unexpectedly we get gift from another person that makes us joyful, amusement and surprised. We become happy after getting gift from another person, those who loved us. Everybody needs to make themselves a worthy person so that he can deserve something special from other person. It can be material or immaterial. Material things, it can be flower, watch or something that is eatable. And immaterial, it can be health or good word, good sentence, sweet wishes that will make the person a special person. Few days ago, one of my students gave me a wrist watch. You can see that is gifted. One of my students. It was totally surprised to me. I do not expect such type of gift. It is special to me. It's special to me because it is mixed with love and respect. And this is the proof I could enter the heart of my student. That's why the student gave me this wristwatch as a gift. And he respects me, love me, honor also. There are many people around me, only few can give to me as a gift different thing. Why they gift you or me? There is one thing, and the thing is they respect me or they love me. And the another thing is I did something special for themselves or above all the people. That is why they like their things. As a result, this is the outcome, a gift. And whenever a person gives you, they give you from their heart. They rare your good work, your good things, your attitude, your views. They love it and they like it. That's why they try to give you something special. By the way, I wanna say here thanks to my student who gave me this wristwatch. I'm totally pleased and happy after getting this wristwatch. It was unexpected to me and I feel happy now. for my outstanding work. Thank you so much listening to me here. See you next one. Bye bye.